Well, hello. Here are my top 5 worm bins that I think you should look into if you're a beginner off of Amazon. And the reason I go with these as my top five picks is because my majority of my YouTube friends are using these kits. They have used them for a long time, and they can give you definitely the pros and cons. So I will link all of their YouTube channels in the description box below. So check them out. So here we go in no particular order. And also on that note, every worm bin is different. They all have their own characteristics. So you're gonna have to pick and choose what you think might be the best option. So the Worm Farm 360 or the Worm Factory 360 is a go-to kit. It comes with all the things that you need to start your worm bin. It has different levels of trays to add into your worm farms. And people that have been using these worm farms, the Worm Farm 360, are Miko and from Plant Obsessed. So check those 2 channels out because they use the Worm Factory 360s. The Worm Bucket is another nice kit. I have been using that kit. I will link that in the description box below. But it's a 2.5 liter kit. It comes with everything that you need to get your bin started. But worms are not included with these kits, so you will also have to purchase worms separately. Another thing to look into is the Vermi Hut. It comes with trays as well. You can go to Patrick from Vermicomposting Learn by Doing, or Gardening with Bark Chuckin'. He uses this kit. So check out these 2 channels. Once again, it's the Vermi Hut. And also, her name is Alexander. She uses the Hot Frog. It comes with 2 trays. It's another kit to look into, so check out her channel, Alexander. And also, another top-selling worm farm is the Urban Worm Bag. Plant Obsessed uses this kit. Patrick from Vermiculture Learn by Doing uses this kit. And just be aware that you have to read the fine print because sometimes the kits might not have certain things that you need. So make sure that the kit comes in full. You know, the stand could be missing, or you might have to buy straps, but there's pros and cons to each of these. And once again, the top 5 are the Worm Factory 360, the Worm Bucket, the Vermi Hut, the Hot Frog, and the Urban Worm Bag. And if you use any of these, leave it in the comments box below and leave your pros and cons, and so that way we can also come check out your channel and find out how you feel about any of these kits. So here's another video. Thank you for your time. You have a nice day. Bye.